Hi, this is Naturally TC coming at you with this lock style video. Make sure that you've already liked and subscribed to my channel so you get all of my updates as I update this channel. Okay, so this client, she brings in her own semi-permanent color, meaning that there is no developer added and it's just applied straight to the hair. She got it at Ulta. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the name of it. I think it's like unicorn something. She gonna kill me when she watches this video and be like, I didn't even take a picture of it. I thought maybe I did take a picture of it. I'll look back through my photos and see if I took a picture of it, because I actually think I did, and if I did, then I'll add it to the video as well. But yeah, so she brings it in. I know it looks like, oh, it's bleeding so much, blah 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 blah, but it's not really. Her hair is not as porous as some people's hair, so that means that it doesn't really like absorb everything that you put on it, so it's just running out. But I did rinse it very well. The color does not stain. All I had to do was wash my hands and it came off. I took some color remover wipes to clean up like around her edges or whatnot. So please don't write me in the comments about this color. Like, please, not today. Not today. Anywho, so she's getting 2 buns, and buns are really in for the summer, ladies and gents. If you want to do the 2 buns, like she's doing 2 buns in the back with the bang. I did a 2-strand twist style with 2 buns in the front and twist in the back. So super cute, so super dope. Get on that. Buns are in. So what I'm doing is I'm doing her retwist, but I'm also retwisting it up into her style. She sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half, maybe close to 2, just so that the hair would dry completely. I am going to use these rods. They're very similar to what is it called? Pipe cleaners. Very similar to pipe cleaners, but they're the outside of them are covered with like this type of like rubber material. But I bought them for one of my clients that was cutting her dreads. She cut her dreads, so she sold them to me, and they're very useful. I like them. So yeah, that's what we got going on. So I'm putting her 2 buns up. You'll see me rod the front. She sits under the dryer, and voila, beautiful hair. Beautiful, beautiful hair. So stay tuned, watch the rest of the video. You guys, please go to my Instagram and my Facebook. Follow me on there. Sometimes I'm able to share like shorter videos over there, which don't require as much time and editing as YouTube. And I like to throw in some music that I like specifically. So yeah. And YouTube be tripping about that monetization, honey. They like, don't be putting them people's songs on your videos, because we can't do that. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. I love you. God bless you. May the Lord keep you, especially during this coronavirus season. You guys stay safe. Wash your hands. Use the hand sanitizer. Wipe down everything. Keep your mask on. All of that stuff. All of that. Do everything to protect yourself, but also protect others. And we'll get on the other side of this, all right? Y'all be blessed.